What if an NFT held a secret? A key. The hunt begins this Thursday on DeOrganized.
Every post is a signal. Give it fuel. Boost eggs, the social value layer.
Let's go. Good morning, my friends. It's your old pal Peace Love Music with another episode. Just like almost like in purgatory, just episode after episode. No, I'm just kidding. Another episode of the Let's Go Good Morning Show, brought to you live by DeOrganized Media in partnership with our amazing friends at Bitcoin Live Decentralized Broadcasting. It is Thursday. There is so much happening in our neck of the woods, so to speak. We come here every day bringing you all of the crypto and related financial news stories, the top stories of the day. We bring you updates on the Stacks ecosystem, the leading L2 on Bitcoin, with programmable Bitcoin and real Bitcoin-oriented DeFi on Stacks. And we bring all sorts of fun and entertaining and engaging opportunities. There's so much going on. Today we have a very special event happening. The innovative and very novel seed phrase treasure hunt by the game master Zenatron and his Skullcoin project is launching on our DeOrganized network today. We're super excited. Zenatron will be joining us at the top of the hour, and I think the mint goes live. This is an on-chain game, and we'll be talking more about that soon. There's also so much stuff going on. We had Kukulkan, the creator of Lobo the Wolf Pup, come on earlier this week. He was talking about his Runelings project. That's launching in just a couple of days. I think we're going to have a whitelist to give away, a whitelist spot for that mint to give away. So we'll have that coming soon. Stacks DeGrants is rolling along. There was a great space. A few hundred people tuned in. We have a bunch of applications for stewards, so there's lots of interest in participation from the ecosystem. We're really excited about that. And there's just more and more going on. We had Battle for Hada on last night. We're really excited about their pre-sale launch going. It's going to also launch next Wednesday, so stay in tune for that. The Emerald Anvil Discord channel at emeraldanvil.com or just battleforhada.com. You can go check out more about that. So many cool things happening in our space right now. We're super excited about it. I do want to give you guys a friendly reminder. Actually, let me see if I have this here. Let me see if I have. I think I bookmarked it. Hana made I don't remember which account I bookmarked it on. That's the problem. I want to show you guys because this is we do, you guys know we do charting shows about charting, and god dang it, I can't find it. I gotta find it. I'll find it. I have it bookmarked somewhere. I'll show you guys the video once I find it. I'll find it later, but we're gonna do a new disclaimer video, and I think we might even just play it because I always give my disclaimer We're providing news and information, some entertainment, some education, hopefully some entertainment, but never financial advice. And we're going to actually have a little video you can play for that, or a trailer or something that I think you guys will find amusing. But the point is, you should always do your own research. You should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. And that goes with anything. Don't trust some guy on the internet, even if you know him really well, even if he comes off as really authentic and honest and interested in making sure you don't harm yourself. Sometimes they still get it wrong. Good people can be wrong. So you can only trust yourself at the end of the day. Only you know what's best for you. And make sure that you are paying attention to that. My poor Node Rock keeps not staying steady, and my stacking Dow cap, which I really do love. I'm not great with caps. I don't look good in caps. My head's too big, so it looks goofy. So I don't wear it, but I love my stacking Dow cap. And so, guys, I just want to remind you again, do your own research. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. We talk about financial stuff here, but we're not encouraging you guys to take any specific action based on our opinions. And we are sharing opinions, some price data, but sometimes we do share opinions, but we're not trying to get you to follow our opinions. We're just trying to help you do your own research. And it's really important that you guys follow that. Because we don't want people to get hurt at the end of the day. This is about empowering and helping people grow. We're not trying to extract value from you, is what I'm trying to say. The numbers this morning, Bitcoin, again, chugging back up, now over 113. That's a healthy place. If we can actually finish the week over 112, it would probably be good for the future, for the coming short term. Ethereum also up a little bit at 4,600, just over 4,600. That's pretty solid as well. Where is Stacks? Stacks staying at number 71 by market cap, up a little bit, about 2%, up over 65 cents. That's also good, trending in a positive direction after the latest correction in the market. Fear and Greed, 40, still neutral at 45, down a little bit from yesterday. That's interesting compared to the price action. It doesn't necessarily align. It's a little bit of a divergence, a slight bearish divergence there, as Landy used to tell me. And wow, Kronos is up 63%. The top three gainers on CoinMarketCap the last 24 hours are Kronos, CRO, the crypto.com coin, Pump Fund, getting a 10% boost. Correlated with Jack Ben Switch streaming this week on the platform. Is it a coincidence? I think not. I think Pump Fund's getting the Jack Ben Switch pump over here. And we got Conflux. I have no idea what that is. CFX. They were up 10%. I have no idea why. Always do your own research. And don't buy things just because it went up 10%, by the way. Make your own decisions, right? But that seems like a silly way to go, in my opinion. Guys, when you stack your STX, you earn native Bitcoin rewards. Stacks has fast, low-fee transactions, proof of transfer security, and native Bitcoin rewards plus SBTC, which is programmable Bitcoin that you can deploy into a robust and growing Bitcoin-centric DeFi ecosystem on Stacks. Stacks is where it's at. It's the holy grail of what people want in crypto. It's programmable Bitcoin with Bitcoin finality and Bitcoin security. Tell your friends. In the Stacks ecosystem, if you're looking to learn more about what's going on in the Stacks ecosystem and do your research on tokens on Stacks, stxtools.io is the place to go. You got all sorts of bells and whistles and tools at your disposal to do your research, figure out what the liquidity is, what the volume is, the trade capacity, and all of that, and decide which tokens you think are great. The top three gainers on CoinMarket and STXTools.io this morning are George's meme coin, the UAP coin, the unidentified aerial phenomena drone coin, and Blockheads Blocks token are our top three gainers. Also got Flat, Nasty, SBTC, Leo, shout out, STX Alex, and Bitcoin Pepe, the only Pepe coin you need to know about. Rounding out our top 10 for the day. Let's check the stacking rates at Stacking DAO. Over at Stacking DAO, you can earn 9.12% interest with native stacking by stacking your STX over at Stacking DAO. You earn Bitcoin rewards every 2 weeks when the cycle ends. You can also get liquid. You can engage in liquid staking where you deposit your STX. You receive liquid STX. Your STX will earn compounding yields at today 8.79% against your STX. Or you can earn your yields in SBTC. That's programmable Bitcoin for being deployed into further DeFi applications like on protocols like Stacking DAO, Zest, Granite, and others, trading on Bitflow, providing liquidity. And you can earn 8.54% while holding liquid STX BTC tokens. Really cool stuff going on at Stacking DAO. We really are excited about what's going on in the ecosystem here. And guys, you can actually engage and earn interest on a dollar stablecoin, significant interest. And this dollar stablecoin on Stacks is USDH by Hermetica, and you're earning 14% interest. And the best thing about it is it's backed by Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin-backed dollar stablecoin. It's on Stacks. It's on Bitcoin L1. They are looking to go cross-chain to multiple layer 2s on Stacks. USDH is where it's at. Hermetica.fi is where it's at. Check them out. If you're looking for stables on Bitcoin, this is the way to go. And I can't imagine why you would want to go with any other stablecoin, to be honest. Do your own research, not financial advice. In the news today, I hope my whole thing is that my setup's good. Trump launches $6.4 billion crypto treasury. The Trump media, in partnership with Crypto.com, has unveiled a $6.4 billion crypto treasury strategy that combines $1 billion in CRO tokens, $200 million in cash, $220 million in warrants, and $5 billion credit line. The plan also includes integrating CRO into Truth Social's reward system, launching a Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, and building a $2 billion BTC reserve. The announcement sent Kronos up over 28%. Well, now we know why. As markets reacted to the political crypto crossover, supporters see this as a bold integration of digital assets into political ventures, while critics argue it merges politics and crypto in risky ways. I haven't used Crypto.com in years. I did use it back in the day because they were actually one of the, before you could actually even engage in staking on your Ether on Coinbase, you could actually earn yield at Crypto.com on a bunch of crypto, actually. They were giving yield on a bunch of stuff, so played around with it a little bit then just to try to figure out how it all worked, but I didn't like the interface. I felt like there was a lot of scammy stuff as far as trying to pull my stuff out. They made it really hard in the app to actually withdraw or get out of stuff, so I abandoned it a long time ago. And now Trump's getting on there. I think I'll probably still fade, to be honest. But congratulations to everyone that was holding the token. Good for you. Nvidia warns on China risk. Nvidia reported blockbuster Q2 earnings with revenue hitting $46.7 billion, up 56% year over year, and forecasted Q3 sales at $54 billion. Topping analyst expectations. Despite this, shares fell 3% as the company warned it is excluding potential revenue from China due to regulatory uncertainty. Analysts say this casts a shadow over Nvidia's otherwise stellar AI-driven growth, as China has been a critical market for its chips. European stocks still rose on AI optimism, but investors remain cautious about long-term global demand amid trade tensions. Sounds like a lot of sandbagging to me, to be honest, for the future. They're worried about, probably worried about where the economy is heading in the midterm, I would say. Not in the direct short term, but probably some rocky waters coming. At least that's what Nvidia is thinking, based on my interpretation of what they're doing here. Bitcoin stalls at 113.6K. Bitcoin has rebounded from lows of 108.8 to trade around 112 to 113. I didn't realize it got down that below 109, but faces significant sell pressure at 113.6K according to on-chain data. Analysts note that this is a level where many investors are trying to exit break-even positions, creating a wall of resistance. Meanwhile, support zones between 107 and 109 remain intact, suggesting BTC may be consolidating rather than breaking down. August is shaping up to be Bitcoin's smallest monthly drop since 2021, pointing to relative stability even as broader markets remain volatile. This is an interesting one. Doge whale moves $200 million worth of Doge. That's a big move. A Dogecoin whale has transferred 900 million Doge worth about $200 million to Binance, raising concerns of a potential sell-off. The move briefly pressured Doge's price, but on-chain data reveals that whales have actually net accumulated 680 million Doge throughout August. Traders warn that if the Binance-held supply remains high, additional sell pressure could resurface. Doge is trading in a tight range between 21.9 and 22.5 cents, while whales accumulating on one side and liquidity fears on the other. The community remains divided on whether this is accumulation before a rally or the calm before another dump. No way to really tell. This is just some data. So again, do your own research and don't base your decision on one piece of data. There's lots to know. Crypto's weakest link is people. CertiK co-founder Ronghui Gu argues that the majority of 2025's most damaging crypto incidents were not due to flaws in code, but mistakes by people. Social engineering, phishing attacks, insider misconfigurations, and user negligence have caused greater losses than protocol-level vulnerabilities. Gu suggests the industry has overemphasized smart contract audits while underestimating the need for operational safeguards and education. I think we need both robust audits and operational safeguards and education. He calls for better anti-phishing tools, stronger internal controls, and widespread awareness campaigns to reduce risks stemming from human error in crypto. ETH to $7,500K, $7,500, not $7,500K. Banking giant Standard Chartered has reaffirmed its bullish case for Ethereum, forecasting ETH at $7,500 by year's end and $25,000 by 2028. Analysts cite over $8 billion in ETH ETF inflows since July, with corporate treasuries now absorbing around 2.6% of circulating supply. Coupled with staking demand and stablecoin utility under new regulatory clarity, ETH is seeing institutional adoption accelerate faster than Bitcoin's at a comparable stage. Standard Chartered thesis is that ETH's current levels remain undervalued given fundamentals, making this a generational entry point for long-term investors. It's not a bad way to look at it, guys. I know that there's a lot of people that are very bullish on other platforms and less bullish on Ethereum, but there is an establishment that people don't want to maybe necessarily recognize that is very, very heavily invested in and developing on Ethereum. And I know people point to Base. Base is an L2, but they're Ethereum-based L2, so Ethereum still actually has value even if people are using it on Base. Solana is obviously the main competitor right now, and they have a huge advantage as far as users and the ease of use from the user perspective, and that is a huge advantage. So I'm not looking at Solana going away, but I do think that ETH actually is still the first mover. They still have a lot of people on their platform, and there's a lot of development. There's way more Ether L2s than there are Solana L2s. Wonder why that is. Interesting stuff anyway. And let's see. This last one came out late because the first article I had, ChatGPT gives me my news and I have to verify them. I read through them and everything, but it didn't give me all of the data for this one until the very end, so I didn't read through this. I'm not sure what the story's about. Sweden's H100 group has purchased 46.22 Bitcoin at 110K each, bringing its total holdings to 957.5 BTC, about $107 million worth. This marks the company as the first publicly listed firm in Sweden to integrate Bitcoin into its corporate treasury, framing BTC as a hedge against inflation and a digital gold strategy. So this is the first mover in Sweden to add Bitcoin to the corporate treasury. The move adds a trend of corporate entities around the world increasingly adopting Bitcoin reserves, joining the likes of MicroStrategy. Market watchers note this is another step in BTC's growing reputation as a mainstream treasury asset for companies beyond the US. Guys, look at where this was a year ago, where it was just MicroStrategy. I think Metaplanet might have just started accumulating at this point, heading into the election. Where we've come in a year is amazing. There's so much happening. And we talked about the market snapshot. ETF Flows, guys. Another day of inflows. On August 27th, Bitcoin spot ETFs saw 88 million in inflows. BlackRock led with 42 million. ETH spot ETFs recorded 455 million in inflows. BlackRock ETH ETF alone had 323 million. ETH continues to outpace BTC in institutional demand. Ethereum is outpacing BTC in institutional demand right now. That's something that you should pay attention to because it's worth noting. There was a long time where it was the exact opposite, and so there was a lot of catch up Ethereum needs to do. But right now it's happening. Where a few months back it looked like it was never going to happen. So pay attention. Things change quickly around here. Guys, if you're not participating in Zero Authority Daily Bounties, you're missing out. There are at least 5 open bounties today. I think there might be more. I'm pulling the API information. I'm trying to train my GPT to get all this information for me. But I'm not sure if we had a bunch of bounties closed recently. Yesterday it was closer to like 15 open bounties. I think this might be wrong. But there's a bunch of open bounties. There are prizes in Welsh and Rue and Nasty and USDH and obviously a ton of stacks up for grabs. So head over to Zero Authority Bounty and participate. There's all sorts of opportunities to contribute to the ecosystem and earn while you're doing so at Zero Authority. DeGrants Stewards applications are open. If you want to help allocate $100,000 in grants to bootstrap funding new grassroots community projects on Stacks, get over to the website. It's dgrants.xyz and the Stewards tab. Cohort stewards will commit 2 to 3 hours a week during the cohort, and then during decision making a little bit less once when we have everybody in. And you can earn equal share of 7,200 STX rewards for being a steward if you get selected. Apps are open August 25th. So they're already open, and they close in just under a week, September 3rd. So get out and get in there if you're interested. And honestly, you can apply, and if you change your mind, you can do that. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is the big news of the day. And just in a minute, we'll be rocking with this. The Skullcoin treasure hunt is live, or will be very shortly. The first seed phrase treasure hunt kicks off this morning right here on DeOrganized. You can crack the clues, win Skullcoin and prizes for solving, and community-driven play along in real time with us here on DeOrganized. I gotta get our calendar. I didn't do the calendar. All right, so we got the Whatever Morning Space. That's every Monday through Friday with the Crypto Queen and the great vibes that Web3 Benta brings us with our crew on the DeOrganized Whatever Morning Space. We have this show every Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. We bring you the news, some games, some fun, some entertainment, coverage of people and projects and developers building in the space. 9 a.m. today, we are launching, that's actually 2 minutes ago, we're launching the Seed Phrase Treasure Hunt game with Zenotron. At 11 a.m. is the Bitcoin Pepe Touch Grass Space with Mark Fleets, Nobody Famous, and the gang. The only Pepe coin you need to know about is Bitcoin Pepe. Check them out at 11. At 11:30 is the Stacks Campfire Space. That's a monthly deal with Rubes and Legend of Stacks legends Jack Benswitch. They will be talking about what's going on in the Stacks community in the space and what's been happening over the last week. That's at 11:30 a.m. today. At noon, we have Melanie's Bitcoin and Beyond with Mel Bell. She'll be chatting with, I don't remember who she has as a guest today, and I apologize. At 1 p.m. is the BNS Breakdown with Darth Dude. And at 5:30 p.m. today, end your day with all things crypto with Dave and Landy. If you want to get on the calendar, head over to DeOrganized.media, and we'll get you on there. Real quick, before I wrap, I got to give a huge shout out to our amazing marketing partners. We have some great projects in the ecosystem that are supporting what we do here on DeOrganized. Stacking DAO is the leading liquid staking platform for the Stacks network. Stacking DAO is changing the game by letting users earn up to 10% APY on their STX while keeping their assets liquid. Unlike traditional staking, their unique design means no minimums, and users start earning rewards immediately, so there are zero costs when switching from other stacking pools. Plus, you've got options. You can earn your rewards in STX or SBTC, whatever fits your strategy. If you want to start earning today, head over to stackingdao.com and jump on in. Stacking DAO is where liquidity meets opportunity. Bitflow is the top DEX on Stacks, letting you trade native BTC, STX, SBTC, USDC, runes, and more all in one place by aggregating the best prices on Alex, Arcadico, and Valar. Recently, Bitflow rolled out Flex Pools, launching with STX to support liquid staking assets, offering flexible deposits, smarter rewards, and deeper liquidity. Head over to bitflow.finance and get started today. And with that, let's get the show on the road. Peace, you're taking too long to go through the news these days. What's up, GP?
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday. We got the Legend of Stacks legends in the house. What's up, Jack B?
Instant coffee.
You're
You're doing it right today.
No! If there wasn't a hermetic on that cup, I'd slap it out of your hand.
At least it's got an S for Stacks on it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Trying to make it work.
this is my big S coffee mug.
That is a huge coffee.
I see.
Good morning, Kimberly. How you doing today?
Timberly looks half asleep still.
He's chilling. Hunter's in the house. How you doing today, brother?
GM.
Good morning, Hunter. I'm glad that you got your.
Can you hear me?
back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Loud and clear, brother. And we got
unfortunately now I cannot show my face because I had to set up some drivers for the phone to reach the camera. Yeah, I've been recovering some stuff, but we're here. Join the
at
Alpha
least you have
Squad.
that fly PFP to rock on here. You know, it looks cool.
Works.
Well, actually, I want to show everybody. I changed mine a little bit. I did the transparent. Mine looks better than it used to because it's not my face. It's this, right? That's cool, right? It's kind of cool. The gold mic with the gold.
Huntus looks like a superhero.
Hunter's look. Yeah, I can't compete with that. I can't compete with that.
You're talking about.
Yeah, that's cool, right? I like it.
Fly. I love it. Oh, whoops! Not that button. See, I'm pushing all these.
GP just logged himself out.
We got the game master in the house. Good morning, Zenny. How you doing today?
GM Mortals. Are you ready?
We are ready.
Bro, everybody is hyped up about your game, bro.
Yeah, we are absolutely, like, there's tons of buzz. Everyone's ready to play. We had lots of conversations about, that's GP. You never looked uglier, man.
Oh, shit.
All I'm saying is I wouldn't date me.
Hey, Jack, did you like our new name?
Was that, man?
Yeah, I said, did you like our new name? We have Dude Squad and the Alpha Squad. Do you like the name Alpha Squad?
Hell yes. Yeah. I mean, how do you not like the Alpha Squad, right?
It resonates with Alpha Beast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need the Alpha
Yeah,
Squad.
for sure. 300
Alpha
trying to
Squad
bribe
more
Jack.
than ever.
Dig it. So, guys, we're doing a little bit different today. For those that have been not tuning in every day for the last couple of weeks and don't know, Zenny has iterated again on the Skullcoin on-chain games with his encrypted NFTs, and now we have the seed word treasure hunt. There are 10 wallets, each with a 24-word seed phrase, and there are NFTs that we're going to mint. The NFTs on the market will show an icon that designates which wallet it belongs to, and a number that gives the order or the place where that seed phrase word will be in that wallet's recovery phrase. And when you mint those NFTs, it's just one stacks to mint one NFT, maximum of 50 NFTs per wallet. When you mint those NFTs and you go over to the Skullcoin page and you engage at skullco.in is the website, and you connect your wallet, when you look at those NFTs in your wallet on the game, on the website, you actually get the seed word information for that NFT. And so if you collect all 24 seed phrase words, you can crack the wallet and take the prize, take the treasure. So this is a treasure hunt. It's going to be engaging. We're creating teams. That's why we're talking about Team Alpha Squad and Team Dude Squad, and I think there's another team that's formed in the background there. And this is all for fun, by the way. We talk competitively, and we love to talk smack because it's just, it's fun, right? But the goal here is to play, engage, have fun, try out the new meta that Zenitron's working on, provide feedback. What do you like about this? What don't you like about it? What would you like to see differently? Because there's more of this type of stuff to come from here. We're building, this is not a one-time event. This is just the first time that we're doing it like this. So huge shout out to you, Zenny, for all you've been doing in the ecosystem, the advent of encrypted NFTs, the incorporation of that into gaming experiences that are AI resistant, human oriented, that forces us to kind of, I don't want to say forces, but it drives a different meta. It's resistant to gaming. It's resistant to people like kind of cheating. Right. It's cheat resistant and AI resistant. So awesome stuff that you're working on, man. And so the mint goes live at 9:30. We have a little while to go before that. We'll
post the mint page so everyone can go see where to go.
And they're minting on Gamma. Is that correct, sir?
No, minting on our website.
It's minting on Skullcoin.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we have our own smart contracts, but trading on Gamma. So you can just share the screen, or anyone like GP, like who want to share, and you can just show how it plays, how it goes.
Yeah, let me. I'm gonna get it up right now.
Oh, and just public service announcement. On Telegram, there's a fake Kyle Ellicott trying to pass out Calendly links to people.
Oh man!
And he's clearly talking to people in stacks, so pay attention. Kyle don't know most of us exist. He's not working. He's not trying to reach out to you on TG.
He knows, like, I know he knows I exist because he actually gave me a shout out at the top of the last at the last Stacks Town Hall. But I never received a Telegram group, and he knows who I am. Yeah, I never received a Telegram message from Kyle. So definitely that would be sus as hell if you get an unsolicited, unexpected message from Kyle Ellicott. He's got a lot going on, and he's not messaging you unannounced.
The dude's worried about like securing deals, like
Right. Didn't he like head up on Stacks Asia? Like he's like over there handling biz and
he's right. He's got a lot he's working on. He's not messaging.
That would be like getting a "What's up" from you, like that shit.
Munich comes in the DMs like, "What's up, homie?"
What's up, homie? That's the funniest.
Azan, he gives us a python.
We bring the '90s back with Munib saying "What's up?"
What's up?
All right, Zeddy, I'm on the website here. And what do I want to start with? Play?
Yeah, you just go to play and you choose the game because it's our like the main game you see, and you can open the prize wallets and to show everyone the prizes, and you can click on any wallet.
Oh, so we got the wallet addresses here and everything.
Yeah, just click on any wallet and
There's a couple of there's a couple of heavy wallets.
yeah, so so 4 wallets have 300 stacks, 6 wallets has 200 stacks, 2 wallets has space inventors, 5 wallets have Leo cats, and we will give the bonus to the player or a team who will unlock the first 2 wallets, 1 stacks to each team, if you prove that you are the person, because it's completely on chain. We don't see the winners live, but since our community not so big yet, we can
how would they prove that they did so? Would it be basically by taking the prize and showing the transaction that they took the prize?
They can simply make transaction, and after they drop the seed phrase to us.
Nice.
Because after they make transaction, they can reveal seed phrase and just to show as a proof, and we send them additional price.
All right, so I'm just going to read this prologue. Seed phrase hunt is a race for on-chain treasure. Each encrypted NFT hides one word of a 24-word seed. Assemble a full set of matching icons. The first to rebuild the complete seed unlocks the wallet and claims the STX bounty attached to it. And again, these are the icons like we were talking about. So you'll have, your NFT will have, it might have a key and a number, or a watch and a number. And there are also 2 levels of NFTs as well, right? So let me click play now. And this is where we're at. So the total prize pool is 2,400 STX. You also have some Stacks Invaders, some Leo Cats NFTs, and some other bonus options for finding the first phrase, finding the first wallet or the second wallet, and displaying that you were the first one to crack a wallet. You're going to click mint. I don't know if this is actually sold out. Oh man, it's already sold out.
No, it's just a bug. You have to refresh, and when it's open, it will be mint. It's bugged sometimes, but just refresh when the mint opens. Yeah. Everyone, when you see sold out, it's just a bug of the button. You have just to refresh. All
right. So if you get there and it says sold out, F5 that screen, because it's probably not sold out. And also, you'll be able to mint 1. You can mint 5 at a time, 10 at a time, or 25 at a time. I'm just going to tell you right now, my strategy is going to be I'm minting 25. I'm going to go right back in and mint out the next 25. You have, it's max 50 per wallet, right?
50 per wallet, yeah. To be honest, it's 51, but doesn't matter.
51? That's good to know. That's alpha, because I'll go mint that last one too. All right.
It's a small bug, but it's good because sometimes people just mint 1 and saying okay, I understand, and mint 25, and it means there will be 51.
So over here it shows some of the functionality here. So when you mint your first set of, there's uncommon.
You can click on game flow. No, it's up. Yeah, here. Just on click here.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, that's important thing.
All right, perfect. This is great. Great visual here too to help. All right, so you have 2 levels of NFTs. The first level carries words 1 through 16 from each wallet. You mint those. You're going to want to make sure you write down, save screenshot images or whatever of the number, the word and the number in order and which wallet it belongs to. And then you're going to merge 5 NFTs to mint 2 of the next level NFTs. And those will have seed words 17 through 24 for those 10 wallets. So you got to you're going to be burning these 5. So you want to make sure you capture that information on there before you merge. Once you merge, that's how you get the next level of phrases. And once you have all 24 words for a wallet, then you just go and unlock the wallet. You're just actually going to go basically recover that wallet in one of your wallet apps. You're going to go to your Leather wallet, your Xverse wallet. You're going to put that seed phrase in. You're going to open that wallet, and then you're going to take all of those prizes and send them to your wallet, because somebody else might find all of those seed phrases too. There's multiple versions of the words. There's 10 NFTs for each word, correct? Is that right?
Yeah, it's about 10, maybe like 15 on some levels. Yeah, they have repetition. Obviously.
Right. So there's more. Right. There's multiple.
Yeah, that's how the competition forms. So we have zero-sum game here. So only 10 wallets, only 10 teams will win, and that's how the prize pool formed. That's how we can make sustainable GameFi. That's no other way. If everyone winning, like, the question arises where the yield comes from. But now everyone just we want to make like that everyone just get happy in the process.
Man, I like it. I think it's really cool. I cannot wait to get started. We got about 10 minutes until the game launch. Do you guys have any questions about it? What do you guys think?
Let's make groups like for our teams. Obviously, I want to be on Team Alpha, and we'll start putting this stuff together and making it work.
We're on Team Alpha. GP's Team Beta.
Team Gamma.
Team Gamma my ass.
No, I think it's going to be fun. I think we have this is what you need. Like, you need to figure out how to make gaming work on chain, how to make it fun, how to make it an easy, low barrier to entry. And could not be more proud of Skullcoin and Zenatron. And
Thanks, man. We're just trying something new, and it's up to you. It's up to community if you like it. And this kind of games, it's all about the huge social engagement. We will see what will happen. And also, I will ask everyone to be active, like in our Bitcoin Stacks Leo chat, because we can create this engagement. Our Skullcoin Sigma will be very active. Believe me, like we tested in December, it was crazy. But now I just want to show it to founders, to DeFi founders, that we can work with retail DeGrants. We can have fun. We can invite the new people to our Stacks community through this game. And to be honest, this game is very simple. You have just to find the case. It's like 24 case. It could be not even blockchain game, but blockchain, Satoshi Nakamoto, and BIP 39 seed phrases give opportunity to create completely on-chain idea with case. That's why the Peace Love, Trihana, they created this promo video you keep this secret. What if you keep the K in your NFTs? That's how it works.
That's right. And guys, you have to share out the live stream in order for the mint to go live. Make sure you share out the live stream right now. The mint doesn't go live until you guys share out the live stream.
Let me share the live stream too, yeah.
How are we going to formulate the teams? Should we make DM groups in X?
That's what
I think DM groups. Yeah, DM groups on X. Ours Binta, she's handling that. I think she's gonna create a group for the Alpha. She's the admin for the Alpha team, and I'm handling the recruitments of the Alpha team.
Awesome. Well done, guys. It's like a well-oiled machine over here. GP, you want to just join Team Alpha?
I just want to talk shit.
I want to talk shit too. That's mainly we're trying to bring Crypto Dude and I over to the Alpha Squad, and we could probably get things done. Dart Dude, Good luck.
GP.
It's all in fun, right? We all know that.
All in
Like,
good
we love
fun.
our guys, we love our guys, and I love our community. I love our crew. And at the end of the day, it's not about winning the prize for me. It's about playing and engaging and having fun with our community and building these new products and figuring out the next level of them is really what this is for. Obviously, like, everyone wants to get a little bit of a win. Everybody wants a little bit of extra stacks and a little bit of extra. I mean, who doesn't want some more stacks invaders and or Leo cats? I know I do. But it's about the fun and engaging experiences, really, for me. So, yeah,
Speaking of fun and engaging, don't forget, Stacks Campfire Space today. Y'all come on by.
11 a.m. 11:30 a.m. That's right. So,
11:30.
right.
That's a good chance to discuss DeGrants again, too. I think we got to get everyone on the same page, understanding what that really is. You have a lot of people who aren't in the cohorts before, and yeah, I think this will be great.
Right. And honestly, DeGrants 3 it'll look similar to cohort 2, but it's going to be different. It's a different animal. We do not have Hero Gamers guidance, which is hugely impact. I mean, he'll help and he'll give us input, but he's not running the show. So that's a little bit of a different dynamic there too. So that means we need more people to step up and become stewards for DeGrants. That's really the big deal. We need not just stewards, mentors, just volunteers, just people that are participating in the conversations. It's a huge opportunity, guys, to go learn about projects that are. I would never have met Zenitron to the engagement level that I have if it weren't for DeGrants. I met Zenitron and I learned about Skullcoin through DeGrants. I met Trip and Monkey and I learned about Rising Tide and what he's building through DeGrants. And on and on and on and on. I got to know Rafa really well through DeGrants. I got to know Hattie well through DeGrants. I got to know Kitty well through DeGrants. I got to know Hero Gamer through DeGrants. There's like the networking opportunity is really the alpha there. It's not about getting some money necessarily. And don't get me wrong, that's a value too. Projects need money, and there's nothing wrong with getting some money to fund what you're building in these circumstances, as long as you are building on stacks for the purposes of helping grow the ecosystem and you're innovating something new. But it's not just about the money. It isn't. And guys, definitely come out to the campfire space. We'll be chatting more about that as well.
Yeah. No, you're right. Your network is important, man. You'll grow so much just by establishing that network. It's huge.
Huge. It really is. So is it actually launching at 9:30 a.m. sharp, sir? Is that like programmed in, or are we kind of just waiting for the button to be pushed?
Yeah, it's our CTO. So much love to our CTO and CSO. It's Bogachev.btc and Makar. They are great developers. They help us to make it live, to build this game. And yeah, they will push the red button.
Right.
I'm having those pre-mint jitters. Like, I know we're not even like going for like rarity or anything like that, like really, but I'm just like, yeah, it's just like that fight or flight response has been kicked in.
Well, and then there's it's like mint season all of a sudden too. We got the Runesling mint coming on next Wednesday. We've got the Battle for Hada pre-sale coming out next Wednesday. We've got other stuff happening. We got this mint going on today, like all sorts of stuff iterating over the next few days. There's a lot of excitement going on here.
Dude, when you were talking about crypto.com, I'm gonna share with you a quick anecdote. I guess it was like, I don't know, it's probably like 2023. I was like, all right, I'm gonna go look for some non-Bitcoin, non-stack stuff to make a portfolio in, for when alt season and everything comes. And that was one of the things I picked. And I grabbed a bunch of Solana at like $8, and the Crow was like super cheap, and there was like a couple of AI coins on Coinbase I got like super cheap, and I liquidated them all and blew them all on leverage. So, what's the moral of the story, guys?
Fuck around and find out. You know what though, Jack? You got value out of that anyway. Like you learned some lessons there.
Yeah, the market, you can know the market's going to do something. You just don't know when. So like sometimes the best thing you can do is just sit on your hands. If you can figure that out, and there's a lesson about stacks in there right there for you. Sometimes the best you can do is just sit on your hands, because you know what's going to happen, you just don't know when.
That's exactly, I was saying in the Zest Town Hall yesterday. People, be patient. It's not about the short-term price action on stacks. It's about what's being built here and building new stuff and forming the community and getting it a more tighter, integrated ecosystem that we're building forward together. And it will take more time. Like, it's not going to be, you're not getting 100x on stacks in the next 3 months. It's just not going to happen. But you will get growth in the ecosystem. You will get development. There's a lot of stuff coming with a huge war chest. So there's going to be lots of tools added, lots of dev support coming. And with dev support comes devs. And with devs comes ideas. And with ideas comes usable and useful apps. And with useful and usable apps comes users. That's the roadmap Stacks is on right now. And it's coming. It really is. It's online. It's just a matter of time. We have to be patient. But we're in a good spot. We are in a good spot.
It's true. I mean, look, the whole thing is like, you're still early. I know it sucks to hear that. I know it's crazy to hear that, but you're still early. And sometimes you can be very early to something. And we're still early here in this ecosystem. Look at Bitcoin L2s in general. Meta makes all the sense in the world. Still early to it.
Mint's live.
Let's go. All right.
Can you mint? It works.
Here we go. I got a lot of keys.
So yeah, just click on any NFT. You can just show everyone just one of them. Just try. You have a lot of keys. Yeah.
It's like you must have a lot of people minting, because the page is like already acting like there's a lot of people here. That's awesome. Let's see.
So, all right, I got 3 of the crown number 7.
Yeah, just show like 7 seed word from crown. You can just try it. Just click on it.
We'll do this one.
Okay,
all right.
Everyone see, this is a real seed phrase word. Let's go. Now the pure house begins.
But now I can actually do this, right? I can just go through. If I hit upgrade, and I can actually go. I already have 3 of this number 7, so I can.
Yeah, but you can save them for another players, like, because you know this information, only you.
So I could sell them, but I could merge them too. Like
I mean, like, just save the words, like, write on the paper, or like make screenshots for you, because you can share it in future to other players. You have to remember these words, because these words can make sense for somebody else.
Right, but what I'm saying is I actually have 3 of number 7, so I can
merge.
I can merge 2 of those without even worrying about it. And same thing with, like, I have 3 of number 15 in the key, so I can merge 2 of those, and then I just need 1 more duplicate. And if I only had, if those are all my duplicates, I actually got super lucky with my mint, by the way.
I am getting smoked by y'all. I still have not minted one.
Really?
Yeah, y'all.
Me, I got 10.
Old computer of mine.
That's all my duplicates. I'm gonna have to actually. Wow, I got lucky. I got lucky, guys. Team Alpha is lucky.
How lucky are we?
I don't know, man. I'm just getting my first one through. Oh, geez. Oh, man. You see, y'all untriggered my PTSD. That's it.
So you're just going through and like burning all the ones you have dupes of, Steve?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Can I mint more than 20? Can I mint more than 50? Let me see. I'm gonna try to mint 25 more just to see what happens.
Yeah, up to 431 have been minted so far.
These are moving fast.
Very fast. Oh, looks like that transaction did not go through. Let me just double check in my wallet.
Yeah, now just people focus on gathering words, on like define what seed phrase word, what wallet they want to open. But in future, when you gather like 16 words, I don't know, like 20 words, you will come to community and ask, because you need to complete the whole seed phrase. So now the game just getting started.
All right. So it does look like I cannot mint 20 anymore. Maybe I can mint one more.
All right, I got 3 on.
Oh, we already got 500 minted. Yeah, the mint button won't work for me now.
So it means you're not able to get anymore?
You can't. You're right. I minted out 50, so that is the max. I can't mint any more out, and I got to decide how I want to merge these. And in order to preserve the integrity of my team, I'm actually going to not share. Why?
Yeah, so idea like to make this interface as easy as possible with this concept.
It's very easy, man. This is such a huge leap from the first version of the on-chain game. It's super fast. It's really engaging. It's obvious what you need to do. It's pretty clear how to do it. I dig it, man. I really dig it. I think it's been a great design. Well done. And shout out Bogachev. Good stuff, man.
We can see on Gamma how it works, like how many, for example, like LRDs, rare words minted, merged.
Nice. Very nice.
People, for now, people just gathering like green words, just starting words.
Three uncommons. Let's go. Got my alpha written down, and we're gonna win. I don't even know who we're fighting against. I just know our team's gonna win.
Beta squad. I love you, GP.
Love you too, bud.
So I'm going to do the merge. I copied this information down from this one. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, though, because that's only for Alpha Squad members. But I'm going to do a merge here with some of these. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to merge these 5. I wrote this one down. I have actually 3 of both of these ones. So I'm just going to merge these. I don't need these.
Yeah, but you can save like, like this, the words for another players, because somebody just collects in the case or like crowns, whatever, like. We still, obviously we still have no winners, like these 10 wallets not unlocked for 100% because we just have 4 blue NFTs. That's all we have so far. I see on the Gamma marketplace there are just 4 NFTs like from the rare blue ones. Okay, now it's just a 6, so it's impossible to solve this game right now, and people have to interact in future. And they have to divide the prizes, because now it's just getting started.
Wow, almost 600 minted already. Quarter minted in a matter of a few minutes, guys. Team Alpha, you guys better represent. Get those seed phrases minted out so we can. I really need some more keys here, but we got one. We need 1, 3, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 16. So we're pretty close on the keys. Got a lot of cogs too. All right, so how are we? Oh, Team Alpha. All right, let's go. Team Alpha on it. We are. Let me actually.
So it's interesting. Maybe we play this game like couple days. Maybe we play this game 1 week. Like it depends on human interactions. Like how can people just exchange the information?
Right. Well, right now I'm actually taking a screenshot of my NFTs and I'm sharing it in our Alpha chat group.
Yeah, let's talk in Alpha chat group and just exchange the words.
What is there? That's weird. Okay, it's just not showing up on there, I guess. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop images of what I minted, and then we'll. Oh, that didn't go. That's weird. I don't know if my computer is being silly or what, but it's guys that are in the Alpha chat. I think Jack, you're in there. Hunter, you're in there. Can you see the pictures I dropped? Because one of them is showing as a blank image.
I'm about to put my contributions in there real quick.
Guys, if you want to be on Team Alpha, what you need to do is make a post on X and tag Web3 Benta and 300 and tell them why Team Alpha is the best on DeOrganized and Skullcoin, and get them tagged, and we'll get you added to the team.
I'm just sending free NFTs to our Find to Earn winners because there was free alternative method of entry. Some of NFTs, 5 NFTs per Find to Earn player.
Let's go. GP.
Yo.
You want to just join Alpha team?
Oh, I'm in my own team, man. I'm the beta squad, remember?
Yeah, but you can absolutely you would be like a huge member of the Team Alpha squad. Like you're obviously welcome.
Just mint all of them and just open their all wallets.
That's what I did. Just minted 50, and now y'all got to deal with me. So, all right. Inevitable. Like, what was that? I'm beta again? I forgot. What'd you say? You need that keyword, huh? Oh, I got you.
Look, it's just if there's alpha, there's got to be a beta, right? That's how the ABCs work in Greek.
I don't know how it got all the way down to gamma, but fuck, damn.
By the way,
Yeah.
don't think I didn't notice that you're wearing
Yeah, so,
your stacking down cap after I said that I can't wear caps because I look dumb. I get it, man.
I wear this hat every day, Steve.
Did you show him that we got a logo?
Me every day.
I wear this hat every day, dude. I have 3 hats. I'm not wearing another one of them.
I'm just kidding. Hunter, what did you say, man?
Did you show him that we got a logo already?
A logo, or you mean that that video you made yesterday for the disclaimers?
Yeah.
That was awesome, dude. Hold on, I gotta go find that and play it for everybody. I couldn't find it earlier. I wanted to.
I have to run, guys. I got a sick kid. I got a sick wife. So I gotta go make a Gatorade run. I'll be right back.
And he's gonna get back for the campfire spaces. Guys, join at 11:30. Jack will be on there. Rubes will be on there. I'm definitely gonna join in and make sure you are checking out. But guys, this is the video that Hunter made that we're gonna make on the disclaimer. We're gonna put the disclaimer on for DeOrganized when we have financial information we're gonna share with you guys. Oh, I'm muted. Let's go. Do your own research. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. That's sick, man. Really is. Awesome stuff.
I sent the one on Telegram that doesn't have the AI Guild logo and the Triana logo. It's that one you can put it on the show.
Honestly, I don't mind rocking your brands on the show either, but it probably is more professional for us to do it that way. But I might use both. Depending on what's going on. Megaphone, if you missed it, what you got to do if you want to be on the Alpha Squad team, you got to make a post on X that tags Binta, 300, Skullcoin, and DeOrganized and tell us you want to be on Team Alpha Squad. If you make it underneath the live stream, even better.
Right. So the game is started, and it takes a time until like people just find their teams. And obviously, you can play from multi-wallet. You can play from different wallets. I believe like GP playing from like not only one wallet. And yeah, you can just play on your own. But last words, anyways, you will ask somebody else because 24 words is too much. And in future, we can make like 12 words if it will be too much. So we need feedback. We just want everyone to try it.
Yeah, this isn't going to be this game and doesn't get solved in a couple of hours, right? Definitely doesn't get solved in 25 minutes, 30 minutes on the live stream. But I think this is great, man. It was really easy to show how to do it. It's super fun and engaging. We have our Team Alpha is definitely set up. We are ready to go. And we are waiting for collaboration to see what we have together. We have there's a lot of people dropping their numbers in here on what we have. So we definitely have a lot to collaborate with on Team Alpha. We're very close actually on some of these words, on some of these wallets, to be honest.
Peace. Did you see my name that's below Triana? What it says?
On the stream. Hold on, no.
So the number is correlated to a spot in the key. Is that how that works?
The number is right. The number is the spot in order for the seed phrase.
Okay. All right. I'm good, man.
Join the Alpha team if you want to win. That's what
Let's go.
say. That's what. What's up? What's up, GP? Where's Crypto Dude? Crypto Dude's sleeping. Where is Crypto Dude?
Sleeping.
GP, can you join us?
Oh man, I got 50 keys that I want you guys to buy for me for 10x the floor price.
Yeah, so GP's hustling us. I see.
Yeah, you see, I'm working it. I'm working it.
Working away.
Don't you see me? I'm working it.
Crip Kitty says the Alpha Squad disrespect will come back around. Just you wait.
Oh yeah, he just showed me. He just showed me his stack too. He got 52. So you got about 100 NFTs between the two of us, and we're on the Dude Squad for the win. By the way, so good luck, guys. Good luck.
Did
Hunter,
we disrespect?
I gave you a chance, bro. Gave you a chance.
Well, we didn't disrespect, but I
All right, wait a
kind of
minute.
disrespected with that beta squad. That was a little.
Oh, I see.
Smack. That was a little smack.
Low blow.
GP knows I love him to death.
I'm just focused right now. I'm not taking any of it to heart. You can talk
Yes,
all
sir.
the
We
I
see.
got thick skin. I ain't worried about that shit. But that comeback, that belt to ass motion, is gonna hurt.
GP ain't worried about none. You ain't worried about none.
Megaphone. I think we got to start going, and you can DM. Tell me.
There's a lot of activity in the Team Alpha Team Alpha
Really,
squad.
Did you mint? You got seeds?
Brody, we are cooking down here. We are cooking. If you smell what Jack, Peace, Binta, Triana, and when you is cooking.
Trihana, what kind of icon you gather? What you choose to open?
Yeah, you mean what?
Yeah, what seed phrase word you choose? Like camera, key, gear. What you playing?
Yeah, I'm still finding my way here. I'm still a bit confused, but yeah, I'll find my way.
See, you wouldn't be so confused if you were on our team. We could help you through it, and all that good stuff, right? Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, 24 words take a time. Seems like 12 words.
I'll give you another shot. Even though you're on the Alpha Squad, you can join the what they are terming the Beta Squad if you want. You can jump on.
No way, Jose.
We got you.
No
bro.
way, Jose.
I know you need more help. So
No way, Jose.
Okay, I'm sending still words because I have to send one by one. This I cannot send 5 NFTs in one batch.
It's tedious work being the game master.
Yeah.
Guys, do share out the live stream so that we can get as much participation in the find to earn rounds. I mean, not find to earn, in the seed phrase hunt game as possible. Share out the live stream because this is where people are going to find out where it is. So make sure you get it shared out. And let me just double check something here. Wow, we're up over 700 seed phrases minted now. So that's it. West Coast isn't even awake yet. GP just minted 200 NFTs. I bet.
Wait.
GP's right.
GP's like, oh, you guys beta.
Dangerous loop. I understand. He just right in the seed phrase. Yeah.
Yes.
Like a pirate.
You see, GP got his game face on. He's serious and he's focused. Yeah, we see you, bro.
Yo, sir GP. we got 2 people wanting to join in the dude squad.
Did they mint?
I'll be on your Discord DMs.
Did they mint?
Yeah.
All right, hit me in the DMs.
Yes, sir. X or Discord?
Discord.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until after the live stream to really get too much into the gameplay action because it's hard to run the stream and do the stuff in the chats, monitor the posts.
Oh
and
yeah,
everything.
excuses now.
What?
I said excuses now, right? Okay, I got you. You scared of getting that ass the belt motion?
I said I was gonna do it later.
Yeah, seems like GP will be first to find like
I'm
any
just talking shit.
seed phrase.
We'll see what happens.
We shall see, good sir. May the best man win. I know you're about to spank me with that Alpha Squad. So I'm try hard.
The Alpha Squad is like the Alpha Squad chat is lit right now. Like there's a lot of people with seed phrases, so it's gonna take some coordination and organization.
A lot of coordination, dude. It's gonna take some coordination.
Yeah. But Bint has got a lot. We got a lot of NFTs in here. Wenyu is playing with us. We got Wenyu on the squad. We got who's let me actually just gonna do a roll check here. Who's actually in the chat? Who's in the group? So right now our squad is 300, Benta, Jack, Orange, and Wenny. That's a pretty solid group right there for Find to Earn. I don't care where you are. So we're doing
which group?
Alpha Squad is up.
Melanie is in which group?
Melanie didn't. I don't know. Melanie was supposed to be on our team, but she hasn't. She wasn't here yesterday. She wasn't on today, so I don't know where she's at. She's welcome to join us. You know, Orange also said he had some stuff he had to handle this morning, so we won't even have Orange's allotment of.
Yeah, Orange at the doctor. He's busy.
Yeah, he had an appointment, so he'll be all right.
Yeah, he'll be all right since.
Yeah, he'll be right. It was just a matter of he's tied up, so he couldn't participate on the show this morning. Also, I had mentioned, and I'm disappointed, Staxy was trying to come in and say hi. She misses you all from she misses you all from the early Find to Earn days and the spaces and everything. And you know, we were expecting her to be able to make a stop, but she ended up having something come up that she had to do and isn't available. But we do miss you, Staxy. We cannot wait for you to come say hi to us on the morning show sometime soon. And I'm just shouting out because I know all of our Find to Earn crew really loves Staxy. She was integral in the launch of Find to Earn back in the day, and helped kickstart the project. Really, without those early days in the spaces, we wouldn't have a show where we do the game rounds every day. Shouting out our amazing meme coin sponsors. Reminder, our meme coin sponsors are RuCoin, LeoCoin, Bitcoin Pepe, Flat Earth, STXAI, Build on Bob on Stacks Token, Droid, and occasionally we get a visit by some unidentified aerial phenomena on the show. And of course our seed round, our jackpot round, sponsored by Skullcoin every day with a huge stacks prize every day on DeOrganized. And thank you guys for giving us the opportunity to suspend the games while we launch this amazing new adventure here with the treasure hunt. Sir, do we have any last words we want to get to before we wrap up?
Yes, will be active in Leo, General Bitcoin Chat, and Skullcoin Sigma and Discord. And you'll find out, we will get unlocks and leave feedback. We can make like 20 seed phrase words in future. Like, I mean 20, no, not 20, 12 NFTs. We can just divide by 2 if it will be a lot. We can make like 12
Right.
NFT, so each NFT will contain 2 words. It will be easier. But this game will be played 10 wallets, 2,400 stacks. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Sir GP, I DM'd you on Discord and X. I Nosferatu and Tommy wants to join the squad. So I don't know.
All right.
Oh, so we know now who's on the alphas. Oh, on the other squad.
Who's on the betas?
Beta squad.
Yeah, you guys can be the alpha, but we the cool dudes, you know.
There's no doubt about that. Actually, definitely a bunch of
Yeah,
chicks
true.
in the dude squad.
Cryptid is trash talking. Cryptid is trash talking. You can see his comment.
It's not that we are alphas. It's that we have the alpha, bro.
Exactly. We have the alpha.
Okay, let's go. Like, I will join the paper space and stacks can fire after.
Say that again. You kind of.
We have paper space, right? And stacks can fire.
Yes, Peppy Space is in
and
about an
Stacks, yeah.
hour, and then the Stacks Campfire Space is in an hour and a half, and then we actually have Bitcoin and Beyond. I got to go produce for Melanie at noon, so we got a lot going on today. So we can wrap up. This was a great episode, guys. I
Yeah,
love
okay.
what we're doing.
I will launch like our X spaces, and I will give opportunity everyone to participate. Let's go.
All right, so there's going to be a stablecoin space spinning up soon for people that want to engage and talk more about what's going on with the new game. Guys, join in if you have any questions. Thank you all for tuning in today. Great episode of the morning show on DeOrganized. Huge fan of what Zenny's building. GP, what do you got going on for today?
Yeah, man. So we've got the Stacking DAO weekly Pokemon tournament going down. I'm working on a website for registration for the Pokemon tournament and a double bracket. It has a loser's bracket and a regular bracket. I'm working on a website for the tournament, but we're running the tournament at 11 a.m. ET today. Also have a BNS space today with Dark Dude. But that's about it for me. You know, just hanging around the community, looking for the alpha, probably getting together with some of the guys that got some seed phrases and trying to do some solving. You know, Zenitron is the game master. You know, he knows how to put a game together. So I love how engaging it is. I'm getting immersed and having some fun, man. I've been having fun shit talking with you guys. It's been a blast. Kind of needed. You know, we get to blow off some steam and talk some trash. It's good. Good. So that's about it for the rest of the day. What about you? You got you're headed to the Pepe space, and then
Well, I'm probably gonna try to grab some breakfast, finish my coffee. I can smell eggs that my daughter was just cooking, so it's making me hungry. I don't know if you guys could hear some eggs frying in the background, but I could.
lucky man. Don't get between peas and his eggs. I learned that he loves his eggs, man.
Oh man, well, eggs are great. They got all the vitamins and stuff you need. Lots of protein, no carbs. So for someone who's hypoglycemic, that means diabetic. Eggs is great, and I should actually start my day every day with some. If only someone would make some eggs for me. But probably will now.
Awesome, dude. I hope you enjoy your breakfast. And
This is actually her last day of summer vacation, so maybe she will.
So that's nice. She's gonna make.
Yeah, but we got a lot going on. We're gonna head over to I'm gonna check out the Skullcoin space. I'm gonna head over to the Bitcoin Pepe space, say hi to the crew, get over to the Stacks Campfire space. We're actually gonna be talking a little bit about DeOrganized, amongst other things, with Rubes and Jack, and then go produce Melanie's show, then catch the BNS space, and then I'll probably catch a break after all of that. I'm not sure exactly what I got going on. There's no DeOrganized nightly show because it's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's Thursday's Flag Football Day. Coach GP puts on
Thursday.
his coach hat and goes out to the field, and we have a game today, so it's game day, baby.
Let's go. It's game day. Of course it's game day. It's double game day. It's game day.
Thank you for always brightening the spirits and always vibrating at a high frequency.
Yeah, man. Honestly, I'm a master at trash talking, by the way. So I have to. I really don't want to hurt anybody's feelings.
GP.
I can't resist the lob ball. You know, if it's there, I have to.
You gotta dunk it.
GP.
What's the opposite of alpha? Well, the next one is
GPSC. Look behind you. Look behind you. What does it say?
It says game time, and Hunter needs to pay attention to minting his here
on that box. On that box
do
behind
not
you.
Quit.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Yeah, exactly.
It also says this on my shirt. Here you go. So good luck, Alpha Squad. This one's for you.
I see you.
Oh shit! Y'all have a blessed day, man.
All right, Tinderly, Hannah, man, love you guys. We'll catch you around. Thank you guys for joining us today. I am Peace, Love, Music. We are DeOrganized Media, coming at you live on Bitcoin Live Decentralized Broadcasting every Monday through Friday, bringing you news, information, games, alpha, beta, and all things in between. I love you guys. Have a great day. Thank you guys for making my life so fun. Really, I get to do this every day. What's better than that?
Yeah, Skippy.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Guys, go mint some NFTs and get some seed words and try to crack the wallets. It's fun. It's engaging. If you want to join a team, great. There's lots of great teams out there. And if you want to form a team or just be a solo player, do it. But go mint some, support some really cool stuff being built in the ecosystem. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. You all have a blessed rest of your day. Peace out. You hear that crackling in the background? That's some eggs fryer right there.